Okay, so hello, my name is Henry, and today I am going to be setting off the fire alarm because I I have no reason to be mad and I hate being mad. So, this is going to help me have no reason to be mad. So, what I'm going to do here is go to YouTube. And then you want to search in fire alarm. Click it. Go to YouTube. Now, after I'm doing right now, we're gonna set off the fire alarm just like this. Now, we're gonna search for the smoke alarm to set off the alarm. So, however, I'm gonna search in this. I'm gonna type in. No, this might keep Grandma Donna up at night, but I'm gonna use this to get my anger out, to get my feelings out. However, okay, I searched for smoke detector sounds. Now it's going to come up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this one. And watch, it's going to set it off. It's going to set it off. So when I set it off, so I set the smoke detector off because I was mad. Okay, one more beep. That's it. Thank you for watching Henry TV.